It's possible to mount the storage in your PC like it is an external drive to exchange files, folders and content. To do that, obviously log into your account and go under the tools. Scroll down and download the cloudHPCstorage.zip file. Once you have downloaded that, you must unzip it and enter the folders that's been unzipped. Then you can decide whether your installation is on Windows or on Debian, Windows in our case, and enter the install.exe file and run it as an administrator. You'll be asked some confirmation, and if not present, you'll have to send an activation request to the email info@cloudhpc.cloud. Once you have completed the activation request, this is going to provide a JSON file named CFD File Service Cloud. So you copy the content of this file inside the Windows 64 directory, and again you run as administrator the install.exe file. A new window is gonna pop up, allowing you to choose the mounting point of the new external drive, P in my case. I just press enter, and I can now go on my PC, and I can actually see after refresh the P new hard drive, which is a link to the CloudHPC storage. So any folder I can see over here reflects the content of what is available online. This allows me to upload and download files from Windows Explorer directly on the CloudHPC. If files do not appear, just make sure you clear your cache, and they will automatically appear also on the CloudHPC.